First, take out the 4-core cable. Connect it to the USB to our S485 converter. Connect the A and B wires properly. Next, prepare a 12-volt regulated power supply. Fasten this connector. Plug the USB to our S485 converter into the computer. Connect the cable to the sensor. Finally, connect the power supply. pH temperature calibration. Next, we will perform the temperature calibration of the sensor. Remove the protective cap of the sensor. Place it aside. Place the sensor into purified water. Gently shake it. Release any trapped bubbles. Keep the bottom of the sensor at least 2 centimeters away from the bottom and the wall of the cup. After stabilizing for 5 minutes, use a mercury thermometer to measure the actual temperature of the purified water. At this time, the actual temperature of the purified water is 23.5 degrees Celsius. Open the latest version of the Modbus software. Scan the serial ports. Select the corresponding port. Keep the other settings as default. Open the serial port. Select pH as the device type. Get the device address. Read the data. After the temperature value stabilizes, enter the actual temperature value, measured by the mercury thermometer, 23.5 degrees centigrade. Click Calibration. A message in the lower left corner will show that the temperature calibration is successful. Read the data again. The pH temperature calibration is now completed. pH 0-point calibration. Next, perform the 0-point calibration of the pH sensor. Rinse the sensor in pure water. Gently dry the surface of the sensor with a tissue. Place the sensor into the 6.86 picohenries buffer solution. Place it at an angle along the wall of the cup. Gently shake it. Release the bubbles. Ensure the bottom of the sensor is more than 2 centimeters away from the bottom and wall of the cup. Next, use the latest version of the Modbus software to perform the pH 0-point calibration. Read the data. After the data stabilizes, click Zero Calibration. Click Calibration. The lower left corner will display Zero Calibration Successful. Calibration accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 picohenries, plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. The pH 0-point calibration is completed. pH 0-point calibration. Next, perform the pH slope calibration. Remove the sensor from the 6.86 buffer solution. Rinse it with purified water. Gently dry the sensor. Place the sensor into the 9.18 buffer solution. Place it at an angle along the wall of the cup. Gently shake it to release the bubbles. Keep the bottom of the sensor more than 2 centimeters away from the bottom and wall of the cup. Next, use the latest version of the Modbus RS software to perform the pH slope calibration. First, read the data. After the value stabilizes, click Slope Calibration. Click Calibration. The lower left corner will display Slope Calibration Successful. The pH slope calibration is completed. We understand your needs.